Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. A sleepy little kitten. Just map out kitty shapes here. Get those paws in. I'm going 4 times the speed and voicing over. So I just want the general shapes to start with. And then I'll refine them. This is really important to remember. This is a stage to do the major correcting. I mean, you can't do all the correcting here, but you definitely want your shapes. That's why I kind of call it mapping it out, because you really are mapping it out, to me anyways. Getting the parts in the right places, in the right shapes. And now I'm just kind of refining it with lining off the spots that are really important. Tabby stripes to round that head off, help to shape the contour. I'd love to hear from you, so please do drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or whatever. Help us build this amazing community of crazy cat artists. Get some toe beans in there. The toe beans really add a lot of charm to the drawing, I think anyways. Just simple lines here and there. Make every line count. I don't know why it's moving up and down like that, but it does sometimes. Always remember that less is more. If we put in too many details, then the eye doesn't know where to look. So you've got to think carefully. I mean, keep in mind that I'm going 4 times, that the video is going 4 times the normal speed. I certainly don't draw this fast. So what do you want to learn about cat drawing? Please do let me know in the comments. That's where I get a lot of my ideas. I think Kitty's coming to life here. It's kind of nice to watch the video once with me talking and then watch it again with no sound, because each one will give you a different perspective. And also even just the watching it twice really helps too, because you pick up different things each time. Wiggle lines. Let's get some whiskers on there. I like that. Thank you so much for watching.